Hey guys, it's Rodol. Today I will answer more of your questions in groups like last time, and then show you another of my experimental projects. Thank you for all the comments and subscriptions. You guys asked me about the system requirements. Any PC, Mac, or Linux computer made after 2007 should be able to handle it, and support for consoles will come later on. It will not be on Steam because I want to go fully independent. Jared asked about the game's lore. I've been working on the backstory, and I will release it as soon as I have the rest of the 3D ready to tell the story with cool cutscenes. Some of you asked me if I will continue developing the mod. I don't think I will. I'm already too busy with the game. To answer the terrain engine questions, I made them by coming up with an idea and implementing the algorithm with code. I experimented a lot with procedural generation to find a balance between load time, performance, and map size. Speaking of which, here's another experimental terrain generator I made around 2 years ago. Remember, this has nothing to do with the actual game. Let's wait for it to generate, and there we go. Oh, I'm upside down. And here it is. Wow, these are a lot of triangles. Back when I made this, I didn't know how to code shaders. You can notice in the asteroids and everything, it's all jagged and weird. The lighting's also pretty bad. So the idea for this project was to create a terrain using Voronoi and turbulence. I think this is simplex noise, but I'm not sure. I don't remember. Let's take a look at the wireframes. Alright. Now, here it is. There we go, a wireframe, and let's look at it. Let's get one of these chunks out of here. Yeah. And let's select everything. That's from here to here. Okay. Oh, that looks interesting. Well, this shows the Voronoi cells here. You can notice every single chunk. So now I want to set the meshes. Okay. There we go. Now we can see the triangles of all of the chunks. I'm going to do that for the rest of the stuff, the sides. Okay, and the undersides now. Alright, so pretty much you can see that the top is more triangulated than the bottom. This is to save on triangles. And the sides have this merge triangle mesh so that you can go from the low triangulation to the high triangulation, and it still looks nice. But still, this is way too many triangles, as you can notice. It does kind of make nice shapes, but there's areas where it's an unnecessary amount of triangles, like right over here and right over here. But yeah, all of these chunks have a mesh collider, and it gets pretty laggy when you have more objects colliding with it. So, but anyway, this project failed because it took up too many resources and it didn't leave anything for the rest of the game to run on. So, but it did create nice terrains. So there's that. See you next time, dudes.